Alrighty then, people. Tighten your seatbelts because we're catapulting straight into the space-age realm of video presentations. Nope. There's no DeLorean in sight. You won't need a flux capacitor where we're going, because our hoverboard, it's Deepbrain AI's video generator. The star quarterback, the prom king, the cool cucumber making a splash with stunningly realistic avatar videos. So buckle up, because we're veering into territory so sci-fi here, it'll make you question your reality. Ready? Let's roll. Deepbrain has a trio of superstars: AI human, AI studios, and AI interviews strutting their stuff on the stage. They're juggling everything from deepfake training videos to AI recruiting solutions that scan resumes and conduct interviews. In today's episode of What the AI Tutorials, we're throwing the spotlight on the Deepbrain AI video generator. Ever dreamed of turning your bland text into a glossy video quicker than it takes to make a cup of joe? Well, brace yourself, because that's what we're diving into. This little wizard, the AI video generator, has the mojo to convert your ChatGPT prompt into a captivating 3D talking avatar video. So if you're ready to kick your content up a notch and whip up interactive videos with minimal fuss, you're in the right place. All aboard, let's set sail. Step 1, punch in for AI Studio. You'll find the link in the video description for a free trial version. You can use your Google account or email to sign up, whichever tickles your fancy. Step 2. Once you're done shaking hands with the registration process, hit the Create a Free Video button or barge into your dashboard. Here's where the magic begins. Click on the ChatGPT icon to rev up the video generator. Step 3. Command away. Type your command or prompt. Pick a template, hit Create Your Video with ChatGPT, and let the brewing begin, like did here. I instructed ChatGPT to conjure a video on boosting traffic to my landscaping website. Don't judge. Even AI models have mundane days. Step 4. When the crafting is done, it's showtime. Customize your video by playing dress up with your avatar. You can change its voice or style, shift objects around, or even swap the background with stock images or video stock. And don't forget the cherry on top, some cool background music. Step 5. Once you've got everything set just right, hit export, choose the video option, and sit back as the rendering wraps up. If you don't want to stick around, no worries. The guys at Deepbrain will ping your email once your masterpiece is ready. And voila, you've got your AI-generated video.
As a landscaping business owner, you need to create a strong online presence to attract potential clients. In this video, we will guide you through some effective strategies to help you boost your website traffic. SEO is crucial for getting your website to rank higher on search engines like Google. You need to identify the keywords that your potential customers are searching for and include them on your website. This will improve your website's visibility and help you attract more visitors. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are great tools to promote your landscaping business. By creating engaging content and connecting with your target audience, you can attract more followers and drive traffic to your website. Make sure to include links to your
Ready to
website in your
shake,
social
rattle,
media
and roll
posts.
in the world of content creation, business, affiliate marketing, and side hustles? Why play catch-up when you can be the leader of the pack? Grab your chance. Step into the limelight and strut your stuff with Deepbrain AI Video Generator. Dive in and start sculpting your very own AI-generated videos. It's as free as a bird to try out. What are you waiting for? Get on out there and make some magic. But before you dash off, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Why? Because this is just the tip of the iceberg, folks. We've got an avalanche of captivating videos like this one coming your way. So stay tuned and get notified. What are you waiting for? Get out there and make some magic.